It's raining in the sunshine. I see this big cloud. I'm looking for a rainbow. I don't see one yet. There goes a deer up there. I may have spooked him. There she is. Hey, baby. She's just strutting along. There she goes. There's gotta be more. I don't see any others. She's a lone deer. Alone. Fido. There is the double rainbow that I knew was gonna come here. You can see the rain and two rainbows, one over top of the other. Man, there's even like, it looks like there's even one and then another, and then like continuing on with the pink. Wow, that's beautiful. I've never seen that before. Wow, this is so magnificent right now. What a pretty bow to greet me. Thank you so much. Look at those colors. They're so vibrant. Wow. I never saw the pink go on and on like that. Getting a good amount of rain too. Now it's full on raining, but where you see all those pumpkins, that's Shannon's whole place right there. With her husband, Josh. And they just got a bunch of pumpkins delivered to the goats, and they took off because it started raining. So yeah, it's full on raining now. I'm wet.